Okay, so what I'm doing now, like I said before, this used to be a bench seat. So I added some plates because there was holes there because somebody tried to put buckets in before without reinforcing it, and it kind of, bent it, and they drilled a few holes, and it was a little bit of a mess. So I just got some 18 gauge steel, and I just welded over the holes and made it strong, and then I made these washers that are gonna go. They're not gonna be welded in; they'll just sit there, and then the threaded rod on the bottom of the seat will go through that. It'll give it a nice, a nice white platform to sit, and it'll be nice and sturdy. The way it was before, the center console was wobbly, and the seats were real wobbly. There was wood on one side holding one side up. So I had to remake brackets. It's in one of my earlier videos to get the seat to sit level. And I took the backs off because it's way easier to line this up and get everything set where you want it without wrestling with the back. It's just a lot lighter and easier. So I'm going to have the console in tomorrow, mounted and, screwed down, and then I'll fit the seat in where it looks the best on both sides, and I'll mark them, drill the holes, put these plates down. I don't know, I might tack weld it on one side. Maybe it'll hold it there better. I don't know. This is, I'm a woodworking guy. This is all new to me. But I know how to do a lot of stuff, so this is really, doesn't seem to be all that hard. Plus, I got a body paint guy help me out doing the real difficult stuff, which I'm actually attempting a lot of pretty difficult stuff myself, and it's working out good. But all the plugs are in, seats are going in next, then the sound deadener, and pretty soon I want to kind of look into a different gauges, something electronic, something newer. So that's it, man. These are all my, I drilled some of them in the center. I didn't do all of them because the way that looks in there, maybe this might have to be over a little, and so I don't want to center every one, so I stopped drilling. The chances are the hole's going to have to be over here. My luck, that kind of shit happens. So. Alright, guys. Sorry, I know I'm a beginner at this. Some of you guys are probably shaking your head on some of the stuff I'm doing, but I'll tell you what, when I'm done, it's going to be badass. You just watch. Later, guys. Right, girl? Yeah, you helped me the whole time. I know. You're a very big help. And a very big pain in the ass.